In Jurity, a city in the west of Para State, ALCOA operates a bauxite mine, comprising mining, beneficiation, rail transportation, and shipping port operations. In the beneficiation process, first the bauxite is crushed and reduced. Then it goes through a simple washing process. High-pressure water jet system, vibrating screens, and cycloning processes allow the aggregated material to the ore to be mechanically separated. There is no use of any chemical substance in the whole process. The freshwater collection and tailings disposal systems ensure the support to the washing plant. They are reservoirs for storage and recycling of the water used in the bauxite washing. More than 70% of the water in the process is recirculated through the system. When necessary, fresh water collection takes place to complement the system. The settling pond, SP, is accountable for storing the water and making it return to the process. The tailings is pumped into the disposal ponds, DPs, where the definitive storage occurs. In the disposal ponds, rejected material then naturally dries back to the original soil characteristics. When the pond's capacity is depleted, the area goes through rehabilitation with original vegetable soil arrangement, native forest species planting returning to its original aspect. Our tailing ponds were built from thorough engineering, safety and environmental management projects. In addition, we also use areas which have already been mined for the construction of ponds, avoiding opening new areas. As a good practice of ALCOA, the pond system in Jurity unit has a contingency pond with a capacity to contain extreme rainfall events, preventing the effluent from flowing directly into the environment. We also have developed an emergency response plan, ERP, going beyond what is requested by the Brazilian legislation, including stimulated with multidisciplinary emergency care teams. It means we follow technical and operational procedures to prevent and mitigate any emergency, including rupture simulations for the entire system. The simulations establish that, in a dam break scenario, most of the effluent would be contained within the mine area. In the worst-case scenario, there would be potential to change the water color in the surroundings of the operations, as it would occur in material loaded by intense rainfall. Our commitment is to operate with excellence. We sustain strict monitoring to ensure the system's quality and safety. Our environmental team conducts periodic groundwater and surface water monitoring at various checkpoints throughout the city of Jurity. All data are periodically reported to the competent agencies for monitoring and issuing reports and licenses. It is important to highlight that our ponds is classified as low risk level, considering the technical and structural characteristics, conservation status, and safety procedures. On the environmental criterion, tailing generated and stocked is classified as inert, namely does not represent any danger to the environment. ALCOA keeps the highest standards of excellence in its operations. We base our performance on 3 values: acting with integrity, operating with excellence, and caring for people. Here, we are all one ALCOA.